Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to change cell size in Google Sheets. We'll start by changing the column width. To do that, move your mouse to the top of the sheet and hover over the line between two column letters, for example, between columns A and B. When the cursor turns into a double-sided arrow, click and drag left or right to resize the column. For exact sizing, you can right-click on the column letter and choose Resize Column. A small pop-up will appear where you can enter a specific width in pixels. The default column width is 100. In the field, type in your desired size, then click OK to apply. To change the row height, hover over the line between the row numbers, for example, between rows 1 and 2. Click and drag to adjust to your liking. As an alternative, you can right-click the row number and select Resize Row, where you can put in the exact height you want. The default row height is 21. Type in your desired size, then click OK to apply. So, that is how you change cell size in Google Sheets. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.